Namaskar. Honorable Speaker, Lok Sabha, Shri Om Birla, Honorable Ian Ladle Granger, Chairperson, Commonwealth Parliamentary Association Executive Committee, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Honorable Deputy Chairman, Rajya Sabha, Shri Harivansh, Honorable Speaker, Assam Legislative Assembly, Shri Biswajit Doimari, Excellencies, distinguished members of Commonwealth Parliamentary Association Executive Committee, distinguished presiding officers and other delegates of Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India region, honorable ministers, members of Parliament, members of Assam Legislative Assembly, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Assam Legislative Assembly and Commonwealth Parliamentary Association, Assam State Branch and Commonwealth Parliamentary Association, India region, I extend a warm welcome to you all to the cultural performances followed by dinner hosted by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. Your esteemed presence in our midst